Hello everyone, I'm the flight attendant next door, and we're about to kick off my first video with this 7-week no sugar detox. Let's get into it. So here are the benefits to cutting sugar. Most folks are very interested in the weight loss component. When you cut sugar, you're cutting back on calories. In my case, I am looking forward to the reduction in inflammation. And when it comes time for me to really get back into the gym full force, all the clean eating is going to be very beneficial. Take a look at these risk factors, and this is just a short list of the many ways that sugar can overwhelm our body. There are some good options for us. We can have spinach, cucumber, avocado, of course, animal proteins and unrefined oils like avocado, coconut oil, olive oil. You have asparagus, tomatoes, green beans, zucchini, even the noodles of zucchini. Like make zucchini noodles. You can have tea, watercress, lemons, radishes, celery, tomatoes. I think you get where I'm going with this. We just won't have certain things, and I'll get into that. Carrots are good. You just don't want to cook the carrots because they turn into starch. While shopping, I do want to point out a few things on the labels. Like this ginger is approved, but if you flip it over, you will notice there's something there. Same with this beef jerky. This one, however, is not the one for us. See where I'm going with this? Same with this ginger dressing. There are quite a few things here that are not approved. Keep an eye out on the shelves and the ingredients, and new items come out all the time, so you'll find your new favorite thing that's going to work for you to make this journey a little bit easier. Do you think I can get a avocado toast without the toast? Because I forgot my food. Like I left it right on the dining room table. I'm so mad. I'm spending all this money today. So I'm going to try to get avocado toast without the toast and with salmon too. I think I may have to do an airport no sugar food crawl because I can see this happening a couple times a month by accident. As far as meal prep goes, let's try not to forget our food. So I have a couple proteins, some vegetables, and I'm going to try some cauliflower steaks. These are key for me, onions and garlic. So here's the cauliflower for the cauliflower steaks. I seasoned them up, roasted them in the oven. Yum, I really enjoyed these. You know, everything's all packaged up. By the way, check out the downside of the cleanse because, of course, the benefits outweigh the bad parts, but these are good to know and to expect. Foods not to eat. We're avoiding the obvious, but we're also not having like ketchup, barbecue sauce, honey mustard, coffee creamer, sweet smoothies, sweetened coffee, sports drinks, or starchy vegetables. We love the treats from the pilots, but today I'm detoxing. It's progress tracking time, so grab those photos, get in the mirror, put on that outfit that's definitely going to be form-fitting, grab a bust measurement, grab a waist measurement, Make sure you get your hips and, of course, your thigh measurement. Now, once you have all that covered, you record it and take a look at it each month. See where you are. Hydration. Perfect. Your skin is truly going to love this part. And also, this is the best way to flush out whatever is trying to leave your system while you're doing your cleanse. Herbal teas are great too, and they count as some of the water that you intake during the day. This is me trying a no sugar soda sweetened with stevia. There you have it. That's my brief overview of the 7-week detox. I've been doing it for the past 2 months actually. And sometimes my friends join me and I find the experience valuable and I feel amazing when I'm done. Thank you so much for watching my video, and perhaps you'll be inspired to give it a try as well. It's actually not as bad once you get past the first few days. And let me know what you think in the comments. Bye.